Honestly, what we do is, and this is for cancer, this is for anything, 2 non-consecutive days a week. It's fantastically good for you. And it gives your body a little rest. Make sure you drink plenty of fluids. Water fasting, it's used for extreme things. I'm not a big fan of that, but making sure that you're hydrating is fantastically important. But 2 non-consecutive days a week are fantastic. There can be a 72-hour fast, but again, I wouldn't recommend a dry fast where you're fasting from everything, unless there's an extreme circumstance and you're being monitored. But 3 days, 72 hours is the max that I would recommend. I've done 9-day fasts before, and after about the first 3 days, you kind of get into a rhythm where it's a little different. But recovering from a long-term fast, either 3, 7, or 9 days, you've got to slowly reintroduce the foods. By that, fermented foods, juicing and blending. So that'll get your digestive tract, because that pre-digests the food up to snuff, up to starting to function correctly. But this is interesting about fasting. In the old days, or well, actually still currently when ships go down, in the old days when they had scurvy, which is a nutrient deficiency, when the shipwreck people would be starving, they were on a low calorie because they, got on the boat when the big boat went down, they didn't have a lot of food. Scurvy would go away. So how does that work? A nutrient deficiency fixed by fasting. The body is just so much more beautiful and dynamic than we give it credit for. Okay, and it's not. When you look at the science of vitamins, nutrients, your body is going to be breaking this stuff down to rebuild the system. And that's why fasting, your body is literally designed for fasting. When you get under low calories, immune system gets stimulated, tissue production gets stimulated. It's one of the greatest things you could do for your health.